So I've got some really cool stuff in this video to share with you guys, but just in case you are new here, this is the channel where we take a Subaru Forester, we add way too much power, and then we act surprised when stuff breaks. So this is my 2004 Subaru Forester XT. We put an LS in it, a turbo on it, we put a 4L80 behind it, and then we took it on Hot Rod Drag Week 2025, and we actually completed it successfully. But if you're asking yourself, why a Subaru Forester? I still don't know. I still don't have a good answer for that question, but I am definitely in way too deep now to stop. So here we go. All right, so follow me, check this stuff out over here. I am so pumped about this. Check this out. This is Tin Soldier Race Cars 4-link kit. I am like a kid on Christmas right now. This stuff is so exciting. I cannot wait to test fit this on the car and start to figure some dimensions out. I'm so pumped. If you're into race cars, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Parts like this get you so fired up to continue a project. Sometimes it's the boost you need to keep going. All right, so hopefully the heater noise behind me isn't too loud. As I say, wearing a t-shirt, I could probably shut it off now, but hopefully it's not too loud. Anyway, we got to get the ends cut off this Ford 9-inch. This isn't measured to length yet or anything, but I'm just gonna cut the ends off. That way we can slip our Tin Soldier 4-link brackets on and start playing around inside the car. I'm so pumped. Woo. Well, I think it's pretty safe to say that blade is shot. That was a reasonably straight cut for just eyeballing it with the Sawzall though. I've got one side of the brackets mounted here, and because this axle tube is a little bit squished on the top, I don't know if that comes across on camera. You can kind of see there's a little bit of a gap at the top of the bracket, but these tubes are a little squished, and basically they are pushed out on the sides a little bit. So I took a little bit off the sides of the tube, and then I took a little bit off of the bracket, and then that is allowing our brackets to slide on to where they need to be. Okay, super exciting. 4-link brackets fit on the rear end. That took me forever to do. Just with the holidays and stuff like that, I kind of had to fit working on this as I had time, but they're on there. I really want to get this all under the car and see what it looks like. I'm super pumped. Holy moly, I am so excited right now to see these 4-link brackets and this 9-inch mocked up in this car right now. I am so pumped. I have had this vision in my head of this happening to this car for quite a while now. Yeah, right about 3 years I've had this vision for this car, and to actually see it starting to happen visually is so exciting. It is such a motivation booster. So these 4-link bars do need to be shortened up a little bit. They're about like 23 inches right now, and they're gonna be about 20. So these chassis brackets won't be as far forward as they are right now. And then the car is obviously not at its proper ride height. It's up a little bit from that. So, you know, these aren't sitting exactly where they're going to be, but it's very, very close. It's very close to where everything's kind of going to sit. So it's really, really awesome to see. So exciting. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. It was a really, really big deal for me to see this stuff inside the car. It is super exciting and super motivating. The project hasn't been moving along quite as quickly as it was, just due to the holidays and time and money and all kinds of different things. But hopefully after the holidays here, we will start to see things pick up a little bit and see the project move forward a little quicker again. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you are someone that knows me that's just watches the videos to support me, I really appreciate it. And if you're new here and you like what you see, then please subscribe and like the video. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.